Alright, today on Nature University, we are going to be observing a very common technique, a practice of the male freshman species. They attempt to mate during this particular time of the year. It's the fall season. Here we have one right here. Yes, this right here, this is a male college freshman. He hasn't quite developed the skills, social skills that are required for the mating practice, but it looks like he's going to be... Oh yes, he has spotted the female. Alright, now if you turn your attention to the left side of the room here, we're going to... Oh, yep, we have a sighting of a second male freshman. This one looks slightly more timid than the first here. He's going to have a slower approach to the female, but once he spots her, he'll move in quickly. Yep, there we go. Alright, now let's see what happens as these two males approach the female.
I'm